Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on MeetMe. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MeetMe application. Now click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down your screen and tap on Settings option. Here tap on Privacy and Content option. And here you can see Manage Blocked Users option. Tap on it. Click on the profile of the person that you want to unblock. And tap on dustbin icon in the top right corner. And if you're sure, click on the unblock option. So that is how you can unblock someone on MeetMe application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.